Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you how to change language in Strava app using a simple workaround. It's quick and easy, so don't worry if you couldn't find the option inside the app. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the Strava app. Please note, there is no way to directly change the language in the Strava app itself. But don't worry. Just follow the next steps and we'll guide you through it. Step 2. Now, go back to your home screen and open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down until you find the option called General Management and tap on it to move ahead. Step 3. Inside the General Management menu, look for the option that says App Languages and tap on it. This section allows you to set individual languages for each app installed on your device. Step 4. Now, in the list of apps, scroll down or use the search bar at the top to find the Strava app. Once you locate it, simply tap on it to open the language settings. Step 5. You'll now see a list of all the available languages that Strava supports. Browse through the list, select the language you want to use, and confirm your selection. To make sure the changes take effect, just close the Strava app completely, then reopen it. You should now see the Strava app displayed in the language you selected. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.